Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Agoda account. So let's go and do that. Now, to deactivate or delete your Agoda account, you must be logged in here in the web page or in the mobile. Today I will show you in the web page. Now head over here to your profile picture, profile name, click on that, and then select here the profile at the bottom right here, like so. Now just scroll down a little bit and you will see here the button delete my account. Click on that. Now you will be redirected to the web page and they will explain you what you will lose and everything. And then when you are ready, just delete my account, and this is it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.